Okay guys, so this is gonna be another day of working on this 1975 Mercedes 240D. The garage is still closed. I'm waiting for the owner to open the garage, and I prepared all my tools, and guess what I'll be doing today? Yes, I'll be doing the injector nozzles. So 4 injector nozzles for this 4. I love this place so much. Look how beautiful it is here. Flowers. Especially what I like is this garage. As you can see, all these things on the wall. That is just so nice. Literally like I don't know, some nice nature, you know. And those small bushes and trees and so yeah, like I was saying, it's gonna be I'm gonna replace 4 injector nozzles on whatever is behind this door, and you know, hopefully everything goes smooth. Um, the nozzles are gonna be Monarch nozzles, straight from Germany. Um, Basically the same ones that I put on my W123 Mercedes. So yeah, just hopefully you enjoy it and just stay tuned. Today's project: injector nozzles, washers, and also these return lines. Okay. Okay, so the rubber hoses are removed, all of them. Now I can start taking out these lines completely and then getting into my injectors. This will be cleaned up, and I'll use a blowgun or something to blow these lines out. Alright, all injectors are open now, 27mm. Let's take them out. Ooh, she's hot, she's hot. Okay, here they are. Cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, they're all very tight. So far I removed just one. Okay, just disassembling it to replace this nozzle. Here's the nozzle. Let's see. This is made in France. Yeah, I'm not sure which one this is. Some aftermarket one, maybe? I don't know. Maybe these ones. Yeah. This is pre-lubricated already. That one is hard to tell, but it says Germany. So it's just literally gonna go in there. I already cleaned this up as much as I could from the inside, all these parts too. Okay, first injector is pretty much done. I just have to tighten these halves together. Pretty good. There's 4 washers. I got new ones here. It flips, so I have to grab my pick. No, not this way. The other way, sir. Looks better now. Okay, so I just rebuilt them all. Okay, they're all tightened up, all good. New Monarch nozzles. I cleaned the inside of these injectors too. So yeah, I'll be ready to put them back. Let's see how she performs. Alright, fuel injectors are all in, tightened up. Now I'm ready to put the hard lines back on. Okay guys, so we're pretty much all set. Everything is back together. New return hoses, injectors are rebuilt, everything is connected back together. Okay. Made in Germany. Yes, and now it would be great just before you started actually to crank these loose. And also I'm gonna pump this up. See, this thing is leaking a little bit, it needs to be replaced. Alright, so I cranked this one a couple times, I cranked these loose, and we're gonna crank the engine. I opened up all of these injectors, all 4 of them. It's not gonna start right now, yeah.
Okay. So I don't need to do the glow plugs?
No, don't do the glow plugs, no.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, ready.